Listen to me. Baby Jane, don't leave me hanging on the line. I knew you had no one to talk to, but now you're moving in high society. Don't forget, I know secrets about you. I used to think you were on my side, but now I know.
Sir Roderick David Stewart CBE is a British rock and pop singer and songwriter. Born and raised in London, he is of Scottish and English ancestry. With his distinctive raspy singing voice, Stewart is among the best-selling music artists of all time, having sold over 250 million records worldwide. The family was neither affluent nor poor. Stewart was spoiled as the youngest and has called his childhood fantastically happy. He had an undistinguished record at Highgate Primary School and failed the 11+ exam. 3 times married dad of 8, Rod told Reader's Digest, "I hadn't seen the effects of the menopause before, because my marriages didn't last that long." Rod also loves fast cars. He owns one of only 400 Enzo Ferraris. In 1982, he was carjacked in Hollywood while standing next to his $50,000 Porsche, which was parked on Sunset Boulevard. 15. Rod was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1994. Was there ever a prouder father than Sir Rod Stewart? The Rodfather, now 72, has 8 offspring. His paternal adventures began at the age of 17, and his youngest was born nearly half a century later, when he was 66. Along the 6th have been 3 wives, 1 long-term girlfriend and a teenage fling. Rod Stewart discovered an adopted daughter when the guitarist recognized her big nose. Sarah Streeter was the product of an affair the rocker had when he was 18, which was immortalized in his hit song Maggie May. Susanna Boffey, the mother of Sarah Streeter, their daughter. Penny Lancaster and her husband Rod Stewart proved they are one stylish couple in a rare tribute shared on Instagram.